Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable solar panels that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Necktech 21-watt solar charger. This Necktech portable solar panel allows users to connect up to 2 USB devices at once, including both Apple and Samsung products. Folding solar panels like this Necktech product are easy to store and offer competitive efficiency. The solar panel's built-in microchip detects the electronic devices plugged into its USB ports, providing specific power outputs based on each device. However, this product probably can't charge a larger battery or a vehicle. The monocrystalline portable solar panel folds out into 3 panels, with a 4th side that acts as a base. It's made with a lightweight but durable canvas material that weighs just over a pound, and it can fold up to fit in a backpack. Moving on at number 4, we have REZY Flexible Solar Panel. The flexible material on this REZY portable solar panel is just 0.08 inches thick, and it weighs only 2.87 pounds, allowing it to be carried or folded. It's designed for use with 12-volt batteries. The monocrystalline portable solar panel outputs 50 watts of power, and it's made with 6 metal reinforced holes to mount the panel so it doesn't blow away. However, this portable solar panel has been tested to withstand winds of up to 140 miles per hour and snow loads of up to 112.8 pounds per square foot. At number 3, we have Newpower 100 watts polycrystalline solar panel. This 100-watt portable polycrystalline solar panel by Newpower comes equipped with a rugged heavy-duty frame that is made to withstand powerful wind and heavy snow. It has pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, making it ideal for the top of an RV, a camper, or even a boat. The polycrystalline panel weighs just 15.5 pounds, so users won't struggle to carry or set up this portable solar panel. The polycrystalline portable solar panel has an IP rating of IP65, meaning that it's resistant to both water and dust, though the solar panel should not be fully submerged. Additionally, it doesn't have a kickstand or any other way to set it up for freestanding use, so you will need to mount the panel before it can be effectively used. At number 2, we have Jackery Solar Saga 60-watt solar panel for Explorer. This thin-film Jackery portable solar panel has durable ETFE laminated paneling and comes with a power cable to charge portable batteries and power stations. It also has an extension cord with an adapter that includes a USB-C port and a USB-A port to charge 2 small devices at the same time. The cords are in a small carrying bag on the back of the solar panel. This portable solar panel has a foldable design with built-in rubber handles. It's light enough for long hikes, and it can be set up on any surface with the built-in adjustable kickstand. And finally at number 1. Dokio 110W18V Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit. This Dokio monocrystalline portable solar power system can be connected via the 5 included DC adapters or the charge controller. The controller moderates the flow of energy into 12-volt batteries, such as those in cars or RVs, to prevent overcharging and reduce the risk of fire. It also includes 2 USB ports to charge USB devices. Weighing just 6 pounds, the Dokio can be folded in half for easy carrying with its 2 built-in carrying handles. It has a 110-watt power output, and it features a waterproof fabric backing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.